Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, backup camera, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.